In this video I'm going to show you how I configure WordPress as a content management system for a normal business site as opposed to for a blog, which out of the box WordPress is generally set up as a blog. In this diagram you can see the hierarchy of a normal blog style homepage, where it has all the blog posts are primary content on a blog, and then the about us and the contact us are kind of secondary pages. The most important thing on a blog is the blog itself, of course. Now here's a standard business type website where the important things are the about us page and the contact page and the services page, but then you've got the blog is a separate page on its own, and the blog posts are underneath hierarchically the blog. So what we want to do is we want to set that up within WordPress. So here's our WordPress installation, and out of the box the first thing you'll notice is that on the home page it's got a blog post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the dashboard. So here in the dashboard I'm going to go into pages, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add and edit some pages. So the first thing I'll do here is I'm going to add a new page. For the moment I'm just going to make these pages what I call placeholders. So what I mean by that is these are just going to be pages with just the text placeholder in those pages, just so that we don't waste our time or get confused with trying to add real content to the pages at this early stage. I'm going to add another new page here. This one is for services. And you can see that the URL is automatically setting the permalink to the name that I choose for the title. So now if I go back out and refresh the site, I can see now we have services and contact and about. So we've got all these pages set up now. So I'm going to add another page here. I'm going to call this the home page, and you'll see why in a minute why I do it this way. And you see that there's another home added to the menu here as well as homepage. Don't worry about that for the moment. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a new blog page. And this is a placeholder for the blog. Just to show you what the blog page is, just to set up as a standard page. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the reading options under settings, and we're going to set front page to home and post page to blog. And now if we refresh, we see that now the home page shows the home page placeholder that we just created. You notice as well that there's no duplicate up here for home, and if we click on the blog it shows the blog posts. So that's static page, and the front page is home and the post page is blog. So now go back to the dashboard, and now our site is set up like a standard CMS. Rather than the blog style where we've got the blog posts on the home page, we now have standard home page and all the subsequent pages laid out correctly. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back and tidy up WordPress and make this more like a standard business website.